Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how double-sided tape works. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. Okay, so this is double-sided tape. So it's sticky here, and then this is the backing which you peel off after you put it on the board. So you have to be very careful so that the tape doesn't fold. Good thing my tape is exactly the same size as my ribbon. Go along, straightening my ribbon. Okay, so you can be quite tricky to find the beginning of the tape and the backing here. So I've got it now. Okay, and you just peel it off. Just drag it off. Like that. So now this is sticky. You don't want to handle it much, otherwise it loses its stickiness. So now I've got my cake drum there. And stick the ribbon on. I'll leave it here because it's going to come and slightly overlap there. Do it tightly, stretch it as much as you can. Okay. And there. Okay. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.